Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Accademia espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bunch of work. We had to replace some parts of this machine. Starting with this little hose that we had to replace. This hose was leaking coffee all over the place inside the door. This hose right here is located behind this panel. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think 9 screws on this side that you need to remove. There's 2 sensors over here as well that you need to remove and be very careful with. Once you have those sensors disconnected and all these screws removed, you can now flip the door over here and you will be able to access the insides of this door. There's a lot of hoses connected around here. There's a lot of components in there. We checked everything to make sure it wasn't leaking. We also deep cleaned the spout itself. We disassembled it completely, put it all back together. We made sure that it wasn't cracked and it wasn't leaking anywhere and everything was in good condition. We deep cleaned it and put it back together. We also serviced the brew unit of the machine. We replaced the gasket inside the brew unit itself. This one that you see right here. We also deep cleaned it, re-lubricated. We replaced the valve inside the machine, remove all the O-rings, make sure that the valves were in good condition as well. We replaced those. We replaced the spring as well. We serviced this valve entirely. We also descaled this machine and gave it a good clean all around it. So yeah, it was a lot of work. You can see all the little pieces over here. This is the valve that I was talking about. These are the little springs. These are the little O-rings. These are all the little parts from this machine. These are the other hose that we replaced. And we've been testing this machine quite a lot. It has not leaked. It has not given us any problems. It's been able to complete the descaling cycle without any issues. And it's been able to brew pretty good as well. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. We're grinding on the middle setting of the grinder. We're gonna just do an espresso shot, and after that we're gonna be running the hot water and then the steam. As you can see, nice steady stream of coffee coming out of the machine. Really good color as well. 2 ounces of liquid. Good shot of espresso. Now we're gonna be using the hot water. I'm leaving it in the container so I do not make a huge mess. Nice stream coming out of the machine. Excellent flow. Excellent temperature as well. And now to test the steam. You can see it's starting to get hot. Thermoblock in the back of the machine starting to get a better temperature. Really good steam coming out of the machine. Excellent temperature. Really good flow. Working perfectly. So there you have it. Gaggia Accademia working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.